Yo, what's up everybody? Thank you for watching this channel right now. I'm Lorddc, aka Capital DC, and today we're talking about the 7-figure side hustle. Hey, but before I go into that, hit the subscribe button, drop a like in the comment section, tell me if you like this video, anything that you think needs to be improved. See, this channel here, we want to enhance your life. I can enhance your life through the mind, body, and soul, through these books, through the information, through the knowledge. So, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check us out. Just so you know, the outside you seen, I'm one of the owners of a health shop called We Juice. What we do is we specialize in sandwiches, raw juices, smoothies. Here, let me show you real quick. So this is where we get everything is fresh, chill on. We don't have no ice in the building. What we do is we chill half and we freeze half, so that way it's still ice cold. So all my water lovers, we got water too. You want to get that weed juice in your life, man. Get that weed. Yo, what's up? Let's get back. We're back into the 7-figure side hustle by Raymond Hardy. Chapter I'm reading today is chapter 8, superhero status. Superhero status. Superhero status. Yo, what's up? Let's get back. We're back into the 7-figure side hustle by Raymond Hardy. Chapter I'm reading today is chapter 8, superhero status. Chapter 8, superhero status. Let's get into it. You could develop a 7-figure side hustle, aka greatness, much faster once you achieve superhero status. In order to achieve superhero status, you must possess at least 3 things or more of the following: a website, a little league team or a youth organization, and a book that you have authored, a radio show, clothing line, barbershop, salon, a car wash, church, restaurant, bars, sports bars, car dealership, apartment complex, rental properties, a professional or a minor league team or organization, a hit record, a theme song, a signature product line or a service that you can have developed and that can be verified. Now we're going to go deeper into it. When you were younger, a superhero was someone that could come along out of nowhere and save the day. Nowadays, a superhero is not only someone that could come along and save the day, but also someone that you can help get ahead or increase or help you to save your business, home or auto, a difference maker, a game changer, or an impact player, if you will. Start making a difference in somebody's life today. Something small in your eyes can amount to something huge in someone else's world. Don't be afraid nor to give back or to plant seeds of greatness into the community, churches, or a civic organization as you ascend the ladder of greatness. This helps you build name, relationships, and rapport within a community in addition to a future harvest. So, get back to your community. Think about it. The little stuff that you do, you could be saving somebody's life. It could always be worse. You never know what somebody's going through. We all here, God put us here to help each other. Let's not think that the superheroes are people that wear capes or the people that got superpowers. You got superpowers just by breathing the air of God, just by healing, just by talking, just by you having a brain. That's your superpower right there. Being able to think, that's your superpower. You helping somebody. You see carts. I'm at the grocery store one day, and this is a little something. At the grocery store one day, I see a bunch of carts. I grab all the carts and help him get the carts. So it won't be enough. Like if I can see it, if something I can do takes a little bit amount of effort, that little thing can go a long way. That's just an example. So try to do more to help your community. As you can see, times are bad right now. Times are not the best. It is the best, but it ain't the best. But it takes the step in the community to help. You want to be the change that you wish to see in the world. I shared a birthday with John Lennon. John Lennon got a song and it's called Working Class Hero. A working class hero is something to be. You're a working class hero. Let's be heroes. Let's bring that back. They trying to diminish that. They don't want us helping each other. They don't want us to be heroes. They want us to be victims. Don't be the victim no more. No more victim mentality. Rise up, be the hero. Let's get back into it. Special note, with success in life being a team effort, you're going to need as many avenues as you can to promote your product, service, theme, cause in a gist of branding, marketing, and name recognition. It's a numbers game. In order to achieve your goal, you need a certain number, quality of people to subscribe to your theory, products, or services. Here's another special note. Once you reach superhero status, you will find it most beneficial to acquire a sidekick, a confidant, a protege, a mentor, wise counselor, pastor, consultant, uncle, aunt, barber, hairstylist, or someone that you can discuss your dreams, goals, and aspiration with, in addition to challenges that you may face that will give you good, sound feedback, yet keep your information confidential. Don't look for a yes man. Look for a partner. Look for somebody that can help you, that can give you decent, credible information. Be a critic. We are here to win. We're not here to lose. Sometimes you gotta hear a no to go to a yes. So don't surround yourself with yes men. This should be a person of character, of integrity, principles, that while they respect what you do, they are not caught up in the hype of what you do, and give you an honest and realistic point of view or truth as they see it, regardless whether or not you're donating to or financing their functions or factions. This person will help to keep you rooted and grounded in your core beliefs, and they will more than likely bring it to attention if you see you getting off track and headed in the wrong direction. Being superhero status isn't an easy job, even though a lot of us make it seem like it's easy or effortless because we're blessed by God to be talented and gifted to perform and produce well in areas of our expertise. Sometimes it's lonely at the top, like the main tag repairman, and other times the pressure builds up and we need somewhere to release a positive manner without destroying our brand or image. That's where you need counsel, people to surround you. And that was chapter 8, superhero status. If you want to purchase a seven-figure side hustle by Raymond Hardy, the link is in the bio in the comment section. I sell them here at Raaj. Like I said, the address is 906 East 9 Mile. Reach out to me. Like I said, I'm going to put the website down there. You want to get this in your life. All my entrepreneurs, all my hustlers, all my people that want to break the system, want to get out the matrix. If you want to create generational wealth, seven-figure side hustle. If you want a millionaire's mind, if you want success in the area of your life, seven-figure side hustle. Good information, quality information. Reading is fundamental. You know why? It funds the mental.